What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw from Rig Your Adventure, and today we're installing the RiggPak onto a BMW R1250GSA. This is the stock rack that comes on the GSA. I'm going to show you how simple it is to mount this guy up. So on the back of this, we have a non-slip panel. This is for mounting either to a tail section of a motorcycle or to a painted surface. We're not going to be using this, so we're going to take this off, we're going to fold it up, and we're going to toss this inside the bag for this part of the installation. Now take a look at the back here. We have all of these loops that are on the back of this bag. We're going to set the bag up like this and take a look at which of these areas are going to coincide with these various loops. We then have 6 of these loop straps. These are hook and loop straps that are going to go through those particular sections of the bag. They're then going to go around the rack, or around the crash bar, I should say, at those specific locations. So I'm going to say that I'm going to have one right here. I'm going to drop another one down and put it right here. So that's going to give me one over here, and now I'm going to line this guy up. That'll be perfect there, that'll be perfect there. And now I'm going to want, looks like I'm going to want one down here on this corner. Now, as long as you have 3 attachment points, that's all you really need to keep the bag from moving. You can add as many as you want. We include 6, so you can go hog wild if you want to. But in this case, I'm just going to show you the 3. I'm going to start by coming up to my upper mount here. And I'm just going to slide my strap up and around the bar. I'm going to tie that one in. It's going to give me that first upper mount. Now I'm going to come over to the other side and dial this one in. All right. Dun, 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 dun. So for this one, all right, let's pop back over here real quick. Get this side attached. Grab one more, pop over here. All right. That one, that one, that one. Now we're going to come down there to that one. Now that's how simple it is to mount up the RiggPak to your BMW GSA OEM crash bar. Now if you're going to carry heavy objects in this bag right here, you'd use one of our compression straps. Now these simply go through the anti-migration loops on either side of the bag. We're going to girth hitch to one side. like this. We're now going to come through our anti-migration loop here at the top. Now there's 3 different loops, so depending on where your frame rail hits or your crash guard hits, you would just choose whichever one of those that you want to use. Again, we're going to come over here, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Go through that anti-migration loop here at the top. And where's that guy? That's right there. Now, depending on your application, you can cut these straps to whatever length you want. We leave them extremely long, so you can choose any mounting location that you want, and you won't run out of strap. If you're going to keep them long, if you're going to choose to keep them long, you can just wrap it back up on itself like this and toss it underneath this elastic strap holder here. Tucks it away nice and neat. Obviously this bag is empty at the moment, but if it was full, it would be a lot easier to be able to wrap these straps up. Now what I typically do on my particular motorcycle is I run one of these crash bar bags on one side that has all of my rain gear in it, and on the other side I've got my tools and tire repair stuff. So it's always on the motorcycle, always ready to go. And there you go. You got that second strap that if you wanted to come across the bottom, you could do the same thing. That's it. RiggPak mounted on the front of an R1250 GS Adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.
I see you on YouTube.
How's it going?
What's it under?
This one's going to be rig gear. So let me take this guy real quick.
What's your YouTube channel?
Hold on real quick.